Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix Ultra Snapchat lag on Samsung A37. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, open quick settings panel and click on this power icon and click on restart. Again click on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and search Snapchat app from here. Search Snapchat app. Click on storage. If you want to fix this problem, click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, click on clear data. And after the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, click on settings app, scroll down and click on device care. After click on device care, click on storage. And after click on storage, and you will see storage used 26%, videos, images, installed files, installation files, audio files. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix Ultra Snapchat lag on Samsung A37. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.